Creating thumbnails involves reducing the size of an image to a smaller, more manageable version. This can be helpful for a variety of purposes, such as creating a gallery of images or reducing the file size of an image to improve website loading times. Here is a step-by-step guide for creating thumbnails. Choose the image you want to create a thumbnail for. It's important to start with a high-quality image that will look good when reduced in size. Open your image editing software of choice. There are many options available, such as Photoshop, GIMP, or Canva. Create a new file with the dimensions you want your thumbnail to be. The most common thumbnail sizes are around 200 pixels by 200 pixels, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Copy and paste the original image into the new file. If the image is too large, you may need to scale it down to fit within the new file. Resize the image to fit within the thumbnail dimensions. Be sure to maintain the aspect ratio so the image doesn't become distorted. Adjust the image as needed to make sure it looks good at the smaller size. This may involve cropping the image, adjusting the brightness or contrast, or adding a filter. Save the new thumbnail as a separate file. Be sure to use a different file name than the original image to avoid confusion. Repeat the process for any additional images you want to create thumbnails for. Creating thumbnails can be a simple process, but it's important to take the time to ensure the quality of the images remains high, even when they're reduced in size.